Here's another entire program that I'm supposed to write. Again, I'm just going to quickly outline what I need to be doing here. Step 1. Okay, step 2. And then step 3, print the result. Okay, let's go. Entire program again here, so I'm gonna get, oops, wrong tool. Gonna give myself plenty of room and pretend I'm writing. I just have a crappy pen tablet right now. So I'm gonna type it here instead. Port Java util scanner, public class T5, static void main string args. Let's see, ask the user for an integer. Okay, so it looks like all I need to do is have that one input. Great, and it's an integer, so user input. Set it to 0 for default, and I'll need a scanner. Okay. Read in the input. Ask the user for an integer. Okay. System out different line. Please type an integer. Read it in. User input equals scan.nextInt. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2, use the mod operator to determine whether a number is a multiple of 2. So if I'm not really sure what to do yet, I might say, okay, I know I need to use if, and I know you need to use mod, so user input mod, is that multiple of 10, and mod 10 is equal to 0, then in this case I know it must, this is the case where it is a multiple of 10. It goes into 10 evenly with 0 remainder left over. Now so let me just leave a little bit of space here. And the reason is because I see that number 3 says I can only use 2 system out println statements, and I can only 1 to print the final output. So I can't put 1 here and in my else statement. That would not be okay. So what do I do? So I know that I need to have 1 printf statement at the end here. Something that might look like system.out.println your number is maybe the word not a multiple of 10. Oh, if I wanted to use %s, I guess I have to use printf. You don't have to use printf here. You could use println and then add them together, but %s would be convenient. So I think I'll use it. It'll make me have to write less code. Okay, so if I want an s in here, it means I need a variable. So I'm kind of working backwards here to say, what is my variable going to be named? I don't know. Not word. And I'm going to add it up here. Oops, I just saved, and that's what happens in Acrobat. It takes all my spaces out. So let's see. The thing I'm storing in here is a Boolean. Actually, no, it's a string. The word not. String not word is equal to, let's say, not by default. And if the user input actually is a multiple of 10, we want to make it not have a not word. Oops. I just did something, I'm not sure what. Go back. There we go. Okay, so if it actually is a multiple of 10, we don't want to have the word not in there. So in that case, we would just blank out that word. There's some different ways you can do this, but this is just the way that it occurs to me to do it. Not word gets set to something that's not its default. And then I think that's all I really have to do here. I need to close my main statement and my class. but let's just have a quick look through here. So not word is set to not by default. If the user input happens to be divisible by 10 evenly, then not word gets cleared out, and then I print out your number is, in this case, it wouldn't have a not if it passed this test, a multiple of 10. I like it. Ship it.